Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best pool lounge chairs that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Goldsun Outdoor Adjustable Patio Chaise Lounge Chair. The best pool lounge chair is the Goldsun Aluminum Outdoor Adjustable Patio Chaise Lounge Chair. This set of 2 chairs come with removable pillows that can be used as a headrest or for lumbar support, and trays for holding your phone or summer cocktail. These chaise lounge chairs are lightweight and durable, thanks to a powder-coated aluminum frame and a textiline mesh cover that is breathable, UV-resistant, and quick to dry. The curved ergonomic design provides a comfortable spot to relax by the pool. These chaise lounge chairs have 7 different back reclining positions and 2 footrest positions, so you can adjust the angle to suit your individual comfort preferences. To recline backwards and find the most comfortable angle, all you have to do is lift up both armrests. However, these chairs don't lie completely flat like some of the other options on our list. Moving on at number 4, we have the Rio Beach Portable Folding Lounge Chair. If you're in search of an affordable lounge chair, the Rio Beach Portable Folding Backpack Beach Lounge Chair is the best option for you. This lightweight and portable pool lounge chair offers multiple reclining positions, including a fully flat option. We love that it comes fully assembled with adjustable backpack straps for hassle-free carrying to the pool or beach. It also only weighs 8.5 pounds. So it won't be too heavy to tote with a beach umbrella. The frame is made out of powder-coated, rust-proof steel and the cover is made out of durable and quick-drying polyester. There are 6 different vibrant color and stripe options to choose from, so you won't blend in with the crowd when using this portable lounge chair. At number 3, we have the Purple Leaf Patio Chaise Lounge Set. If you have limited storage space and need an easily stackable option, these are the best pool lounge chairs for you. This pool lounge chair set comes with 2 chaise lounge chairs and a side table. The chairs are stackable, which makes them easy to store in a pool shed or garage during the off-season. These chairs feature a sturdy powder-coated aluminum frame that is resistant to water and rust, making these chairs a durable choice for lounging poolside with a refreshing vodka cocktail. The textiline material also repels water, dries quickly, and blocks UV rays for added protection. Not only are these chairs stackable, but they are also adjustable with 4 different reclining positions, so you can sit up and read or lie down to take a nap. Although the curved, ergonomic design of the chairs provides comfort, you will be lower to the ground in this chair compared to others on our list. At number 2, we have the Mupater Patio Chaise Lounge Chair. If you plan on taking your lounge chair to the pool or beach, the Mupater 4-fold Patio Chaise Lounge Chair is the best option for you. It doesn't require any assembly, is easy to fold, and is lightweight at 14.6 pounds. This 4-fold chaise lounge chair is made out of sturdy and weather-resistant materials, including powder-coated steel tubes, breathable mesh fabric, and anti-tip legs. One of our favorite features is the detachable pocket for storing your phone, keys, wallet, or book without getting them wet or sandy. And finally at number 1, we have the Polywood Modern Adirondack Chair. This modern Adirondack chair has an angled seat and waterfall front that molds to the back of your knees for optimal comfort. It's made out of recycled plastic, which makes this chair an eco-friendly option. The material also holds up well against the elements without rotting, peeling, cracking, or splintering, which is sometimes a concern for chairs made of natural wood. This low-maintenance pool lounge chair doesn't require any painting or staining, is easy to clean with soap and water, and dries quickly. It has a durable and simple design with a 3-panel squared-off back that gives it a more modern look than traditional Adirondack chairs. It's available in 13 different colors, so there is an option to match your yard or patio style.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.